Okay, so today you guys are going to be learning about decimal operations. We're going to do it a little bit different than what we did the last couple of times. So today, this assignment will pop up. If you are in cohort A, you should be completing this on Friday, 9/18. And if you are in cohort B, you should be completing this on Monday, 9/21. So what I want you guys to do is listen to my video first, obviously, right? I'm just going to go ahead and explain the rule, and then I'll explain exactly what I want you guys to do for this. So adding and subtracting is pretty much the same rules, okay? You're going to find the decimal in each of the numbers. You're going to line up those decimals. Then you're going to fill in empty spots with zeros, add them, and then bring down your decimal directly. So I'll show what I mean. Like, so here are my two numbers, right? 10.5 and 11.74. I would add them up, and then I would have to add this extra zero right here, okay, on that 10.5. Then I would just add and bring down my decimal. It's the same way if I was doing subtraction. 12.7 minus 9.23, you always do big minus small, right? I would go ahead and I would line that up. I would have to add that extra zero onto 12.7 and then go ahead and do my subtraction. So addition and subtraction should be pretty easy. Okay, so multiplication. Multiplication, the number with the most digits goes on top because you kind of ignore those decimals. So decimals do not line up. So you would kind of think about doing this as 1,201 times 25. You would do your normal multiplication. Then you would count how many places in the first number of the decimals moved over and how many places in the second number. So you would add them up total. So there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when you have your final answer, you would move that decimal over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And your answer would be that 0.30025. Division. Divisors cannot have a decimal. So you need to move the divisor decimal so that it's a whole number. And your divisors is that outside number. So I can't have 0.3. I need to make that into a whole number. So I need to make it into 3. And then I have to move the same amount of places in the dividend. The dividend's on the inside. So instead of it being 1.41, it's going to be 14.1. And then I would do my normal division there. All right, so once you guys are done listening to my video, you guys are going to go ahead and watch another video. It's about 10 minutes long, but this guy does a great job explaining all of the rules for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and he also shows an example of each. So then you're going to watch that video, and then when you're done watching that video and you feel confident and you're ready to do some operations, you're going to go ahead and click on this Word doc, and you're going to complete these. As always, you are going to complete these on lined paper. I want to see you lining up the decimals when you're adding, subtracting, or writing the numbers correctly when you are multiplying and dividing. And if you go back and look at my directions in here, all right, this does say that I will be grading this assignment on accuracy, not just completion. Okay, so I'm going to go through, I'm going to make sure that you have number 1 through 10 correct. So make sure you show all your work. Make sure I can see your final answer and I can grade it. All right, so if you guys have any questions, you can send me an email or you can ask me next time you see me.